Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about ASVAB Math Knowledge. So now I will show you how to find the line goes through two points. That is about this one. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we have y equals to mx plus b. We know that m that is about slope, b that is about y-intercept. So in this situation, we need to concentrate about slope. So the formula of m in here, that is about y number 2 minus y number 1 over s number 2 minus s number 1. So be careful when we calculate about this one. We know that s number 2 is always greater than s number 1. Now let's go back to this one. So we know this is about s. This one that is about s. Now we have number 8 and number 6. Which one should be greater than? That is about number 8, because number 8 is greater than number 6. So number 8 that is about s number 2, and number 6 that is about s number 1. So we put number 2 in here, number 1 in here. That means this one should be about y number 2, and this one should be y number 1. Now after analyzing about this one, so we can put s2 y2 s1 y1 go to this equation. So y2 that is about negative number 3, y1 that is about negative number 4, s number 2 that is about number 8, and s number 1 that is about number 6. So negative and negative, we have positive. So negative number 3 plus 4, we have number 1. 8 minus 6, we have number 2. So we put m equal to 1 over 2 going here. Now we need to find the value of b. So we can choose this boys or this boy in here, but I will choose about this one. So a that is about s, negative number 3 that is about y. So we put number 8 go in here, negative number 3 go in here. So 8 divided by 2, we have number 4. So I will put number 4 go to the left, because we put this number go to the equal sign. That means we need to change positive number 4 in here, positive number 4 in here into negative number 4. Negative number 3, negative number 4 we have negative number 7. And now we go back to this equation and we put negative number 7 go in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.